That's a good size. 2 queen beds. Yeah, coffee.
You and your coffee.
Yep. Got a microwave. Is that a fridge over there? Nice. Little fridge. We'll put our chocolates in there so they don't melt. We're in Barstow, and see if you can see my truck. Ta-da! There it is over there. We got Chili's across. We have over there, you can see the orange. Over there is the outlet center. There's Tesla parking. There's the freeway right there. And then we have the gas stations over there. There's an In-N-Out. There's a bunch of stores around here. So it's a good spot to be location-wise. There's also the Panda Express and all kinds of places. So that's why we chose this, because we can just walk around while we're waiting for my mom to get into town. It's 11:53. She'll probably be here around 3 o'clock at her RV location. So we got a closet.
And is this somebody else's room?
That's good. Yep. That's in case you have like a party, you can have it's hooked up to another room right there. And we got the bathroom. Got the. This is not a composting toilet, so that's nice. Nice toilet shower.
They were cheaper auctions if somebody's interested.
Yeah, they are cheaper, but we chose this one because of the stars. It had good reviews. It had including breakfast. Location. So yeah, you can definitely get. I mean, what was the Best Western?
There were some like 50 something.
Yeah, it's like 50, 60 bucks. I mean, you're kind of out in the middle of nowhere, so just depends on what you want to. Oh, look at this. They have a no weed symbol now. No vaping, no smoking, and no weed.
Oh, okay, well.
This is new. I've never seen that before. I've only seen non-smoking. It's got a nice machine right in front of the mirror, which is great. You got some balls right there. You got some other exercise equipment, free weights. Unfortunately, the only heaviest weight that they have is 230 pounds. They only have 135, 150 pound, 140 pound, so seems like people have been stealing them, but the 30s works good. And then you can hit up this a little bit with the pull-up bar right there. They have some nice towels here. You get some water, nice cold water. The air conditioning is running really well in here. You have a nice mat and a scale. You got a nice treadmill. This is I actually used to resell these. This is actually a good quality treadmill right here. And this elliptical is also good too. I used to resell these as well. Alright, so this is part of the breakfast that's included. They do have this. They have bagels. You can make your own waffles. They have fruit, cereal. So it's a pretty good breakfast. I'm not getting a lot here because we're going to be meeting up with my mom. We're going to be going to Denny's and then Starbucks before she heads on over to Georgia. So that's what's here. So far, we've had a good sleep. The bed's really comfortable. The pillows are really nice and clean. So yeah, good place. Channel 5 News, one of my favorite stations. Yeah. Alright, so it's 10:46. We went to go visit my mom. We had some dinner, some really good Italian food. And we went to Chili's, which is actually in the same parking lot. See? Right there.